Noor Scientific and Trade. Machinery and Materials Division. The Machinery and Materials Division of Noor Scientific and Trade is mainly focusing on industrial machinery needs and solutions for production lines requirements, offering a wide range of high-tech machines and tools for various metalworking processes, including but not limited to bulk forming, casting, sheet drilling, grinding, forming, milling, welding and plating. The division is also concerned with providing different materials for industrial applications, including ceramics, metals, and polymers. Currently, Noor Scientific and Trade, through its Machinery and Materials Division, exclusively represents a number of international major and pioneer manufacturers, including Buffoli Impianti, Italy; Cosmat, Italy; Fulse Group, Germany; HTT Maschinen, Germany; Hako, Poland. We are always interested in collaborating with the most famous and differentiated companies to expand the scope of the most advanced and innovative scientific products we are offering to our local market. Thank you for watching us. For more info, please follow us on